Hello teachers, my name is Joan Ares and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so today we're going to break down the key components of conducting your demo lesson at Weblio A Kaiwa. So mag-focus tayo sa tatlo, warm up, discussion or the lesson proper, and wrap up segment. So these are very important and I assure you na kapag na-apply ninyo ito sa demo lesson ninyo, you will land the job. Okay, let's talk about warm up. So this is about setting a friendly tone and getting ready to learn. So this is where you greet each other and ask simple questions like how are you? How is the weather in Japan? Okay? So pag enter ni student, i-greet mo siya. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, can you hear and see me clearly? Ganon. Yun lang yung tanungin ninyo. And then pag nag-confirm siya, that's the time that you're going to start introducing yourself. Okay, so great, ganon. Great. By the way, my name is Joan from Weblio A Kaiwa. How about you? What is your name? Okay. All right, nice to meet you. How are you? Good. Okay. All right, I'm glad to know that you're doing good today. Ganun lang. Okay, stop na. Because 1 to 2 minutes. By the way, 10 minutes lang pala yung demo lesson ninyo. So, very limited lang siya. And then, mag-move na kayo sa lesson proper. Okay, now we have lesson proper. So, in the Weblio lesson plan, very detailed. Okay, so, ang gagawin mo na lang is to deliver the content effectively, correct any mistakes students make, and guide them through the learning process. Yun lang. Okay, so dito sa lesson proper, remember to follow the detailed lesson plan, okay, provided by the company. Dito pag may mali si student, i-jot down mo yung mali. And then, do not interrupt the flow of the lesson. Okay? Kasi meron silang designated time kung kailan kayo magko-correct ng mali nila. So we have here tutor, for example, part B9. Now let's review your answers. So gamitin niyo yung chat box, doon niyo i-send yung mali nila. That's it. Okay, so always confirm kung nakikita niyo yung part B9, part B10, okay, part C1. Alright? Para you are on the same page palagi. Alright, so panghuli is wrap up. So wrap up, we summarize what we've learned, reflect on the progress, and provide feedback. Okay, so si Weblio, gumagamit siya ng sandwich method to provide feedback. Okay, sandwich method, okay, positive, negative, and then positive. Okay, so for example, in today's lesson, you did very well. You're able to answer all the activities. However, I want you to improve more on your reading skills. Ganon. I suggest that you read more books, English books. Okay? But overall, your performance today was commendable. Ganon. Okay, so that's it. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.